Intelligent transportation systems are revolutionizing how we move in our rapidly evolving world. By merging cutting-edge tech and data insights, ITS is reshaping urban mobility, enhancing safety, and boosting efficiency. From smart traffic control to networked cars, we're paving the way for seamless transportation experiences. But hurdles like privacy concerns and legislative barriers persist. Yet, the promise of ITS is clear: a greener, less congested future where connectivity reigns. Let's embrace the journey to a smarter, sustainable tomorrow.